The modern automotive industry wants you to believe that cars are disposable. Between fragile dual-clutch transmissions, tiny turbocharged engines running dangerously high boost pressures, and software ecosystems that glitch if it rains too hard, the average new car feels less like an investment and more like a ticking time bomb. And told to build a machine to an absolute mechanical standard, completely ignoring the bean counters in accounting. Today, we are skipping the superficial corporate marketing fluff and diving straight into the 7 most reliable, budget-friendly cars in America using real-world repair data, lifespan metrics, and cost-to-own analytics. We are analyzing the high-mileage royalty, vehicles that routinely cross the 400,000-mile mark on nothing more than routine fluid changes. Let's get started. Number 7. Mazda 6, 3rd generation. The 3rd generation Mazda 6, manufactured from 2014 to 2018, is a masterclass in modern mechanical defiance. It completely rejects the industry's fragile trend of downsized, highly stressed turbocharged power plants. While rival automakers scrambled to bolt complex, high-heat turbos to tiny engines to satisfy stringent government emissions mandates, but Mazda invested millions refining the pure physics of natural aspiration through their innovative SkyActiv G platform. Mazda 6 contains a robust 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that operates at a staggering race car-like 13:1 static compression ratio. The engine is paired with a specialized 4-2-1 exhaust manifold that instantly extracts residual gas heat to completely eliminate destructive engine knock. Rather than deploying a cheap, unengaging, continuously variable transmission, Mazda coupled this engine to their proprietary 6-speed SkyActiv Drive automatic gearbox, which features a heavy-duty multi-plate lockup clutch that minimizes friction losses and heavily reduces long-term planetary gear wear. The hard consumer metrics thoroughly validate this architectural choice, and RepairPal awards this vehicle an outstanding 4.0 out of 5.0 reliability rating, with an annual maintenance cost averaging a modest $450. That is significantly lower than its European and American mid-size counterparts. Long-term commercial fleet telemetry confirms that these naturally aspirated platforms frequently breach the 300,000-mile mark on original internal hardware. This proves that intelligent thermal dynamics and mechanical simplicity will easily outlast modern turbocharged gimmicks. Number 6. Ford Crown Victoria. The Ford Crown Victoria remains an absolute legend of industrial durability because it was engineered around a heavy-duty, commercial-grade body-on-frame architecture rather than a standard unibody chassis. Over its production lifespan, the Panther platform spawned over 1.5 million vehicles, dominating roughly 95% of the American police cruiser market, because its thick steel frame could absorb massive physical impacts, curb hoppings, and pit maneuvers without twisting out of alignment. Ford Crown Victoria contains a 4.6-liter modular V8 engine that operates at a highly conservative compression ratio of just 9.4:1 to produce a modest 220 to 250 horsepower. By eliminating complex variable valve timing systems and fragile direct injection fuel lines, Ford reduced the engine's failure points to an absolute minimum. Paired with a robust 4R75W 4-speed torque converter automatic transmission, this vehicle routinely survives fleet duties involving 24/7 continuous idling cycles and severe fluid neglect. Ford Crown Victoria frequently clocks past 500,000 miles in taxi fleets, while requiring nothing more than basic, inexpensive wear and tear components. Number 5. Honda Accord, 9th Gen. The Honda Accord, specifically the highly lauded ninth generation, produced between 2013 and 2017, solidifies its position as a high-mileage industry icon through meticulous powertrain refinement and predictable, high-tolerance engineering. In large-scale consumer fleet tracking and Consumer Reports historical analysis, this specific era of the Accord consistently scores at the absolute pinnacle of the mid-size sedan class, demonstrating a remarkably low frequency of critical mechanical failures over extended service years. This generation is primarily defined by the introduction of the Earth Dreams 2.4-liter K24W four-cylinder engine, which features a dual overhead cam architecture, multi-stage I-VTEC valve control, and a high-pressure direct injection fuel delivery system. Operating at an elevated 11.1:1 compression ratio, this engine delivers a perfectly balanced 185 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque, while keeping internal mechanical friction to an absolute minimum via low-tension piston rings and mirror-polished camshaft journals. When configured with Honda's robust 6-speed manual transmission or their internally developed heavy-duty fluid torque converter (CVT), the drivetrain of the Accord operates within strict thermal limits that prevent fluid oxidation and bearing wear even during brutal stop-and-go commuting. The 9th generation Accord has an advanced structural body design utilizing 56% high-strength steel and a highly isolated front subframe assembly. This helps the diligent owners to effortlessly push these vehicles past the 350,000-mile mark without incurring catastrophic repair expenses. Number 4. Toyota Prius, Generation 4. Though driving enthusiasts often dismiss it, but the 4th-generation Toyota Prius, built on the TNGA platform, is a masterclass in reliability through engineering simplification. Consumer Reports consistently awards this generation reliability scores scaling up into the 90s out of 100, that is, driven primarily by the ingenious architecture of Toyota's hybrid synergy drive. Here is where things get interesting. The Prius removes many high-wear mechanical parts found in regular cars. There is no traditional multi-gear automatic transmission, no drive belts, no starter motor, no conventional alternator. All of these are common failure points in most vehicles, and they are simply gone. Instead, Toyota uses a single planetary gear set. This gear set acts as a power split device. It smoothly distributes power between the gasoline engine and 2 electric motors. Under the hood sits a 1.8-liter 2ZR-FXE engine that operates on the highly efficient Atkinson cycle, which achieves an industry-leading 40% thermal efficiency by keeping the intake valves open longer to lower pumping losses. But the real magic happens during everyday driving. When you accelerate hard, the electric motors assist the engine. This reduces stress on internal components. When you brake, the system uses regenerative braking. That means the electric motors slow the car down while generating electricity. So your brake pads and rotors are used far less than usual. That's why many Prius models around the world easily cross 400,000 miles, and they often do it on their original engine and transmission system, something most cars can only dream of. Number 3. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser 100 and 200 series are not engineered to standard passenger vehicle regulations. Instead, Toyota designs them with a strict 25-year service life requirement, targeting the absolute harshest environments on Earth, such as the Australian outback and the Sahara Desert. The vehicle's foundation features a massive, fully boxed, high-tensile steel frame, with frame rails that are twice as thick as those found on a standard full-size pickup truck. The Toyota Land Cruiser is equipped with the cast-iron block 4.7-liter 2UZ-FE V8 or the massive 5.7-liter 3UR-FE V8. The 3UR-FE V8 alone produces 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. But again, these engines are not just powerful, they are overbuilt. They come with oversized cooling systems, larger cooling jackets, and radiators up to 30% bigger than standard SUVs. This prevents overheating, even under heavy towing or poor quality fuel conditions. Every single component, from the heavy-duty commercial truck drive axles to the sealed triple-lip suspension bushings, is aggressively overbuilt to withstand continuous physical abuse. This uncompromising build quality is why the Land Cruiser maintains the lowest warranty claim rate in the entire automotive industry. And that's exactly why global aid organizations trust it in the world's most remote and dangerous environments. Number 2. Lexus RX. If Toyota reliability and luxury had a child, it would be the Lexus RX. Lexus consistently ranks at or near the top of reliability studies worldwide. In some long-term reliability reports, Lexus even beats Toyota itself. Comprehensive statistical tracking from the IC Cars Longest-Lasting Cars study indicates that the Lexus RX and its hybrid counterpart possess an elite 10.7% to 17.0% chance of easily eclipsing the 250,000-mile mark. This phenomenal durability record is rooted in the architecture of Toyota's brilliant 3.5-liter 2GR V6 engine series. This engine produces between 270 and 295 horsepower. This heavy-duty power plant is meticulously engineered with a forged steel crankshaft featuring 5 balanced counterweights, forged connecting rods, and specialized oil jets under the pistons. This reduces heat, friction, and long-term wear. And then comes the driving experience. Paired with a proven Aisin 6-speed or 8-speed automatic transmission, the RX avoids the fragile complexity of turbochargers and overly complicated systems. Everything is tuned for smoothness and longevity, not stress. In hybrid models, it gets even better. The system often runs in an Atkinson cycle under low load. That means less strain on the engine and more efficiency over time. This helps Lexus RX completely sidesteps the expensive turbocharger failures and electronic suspension collapses that common to the luxury segment. In this way, it can quietly reach 300,000, even 400,000 miles without drama. Number 1. Toyota 4Runner, 5th Gen. The Toyota 4Runner, particularly the legendary 5th generation spanning from 2010 to 2024, is an absolute masterclass in persistent, rugged engineering that simply refuses to surrender to mechanical wear. According to the comprehensive IC Cars Automotive Longevity Study, which analyzed over 174 million active vehicles to determine long-term durability, the 4Runner boasts an incredible 32.9% chance of surpassing the 250,000-mile mark. At the absolute heart of this mid-size SUV's legendary durability is the naturally aspirated 4.0-liter 1GR-FE dual VVT-IV6 engine. This V6 engine produces a highly conservative 270 horsepower and 278 pound-feet of torque. The Toyota 4Runner features a rigid cast aluminum engine block embedded with incredibly thick, high-strength cast iron cylinder liners and massive cooling passages that are designed to prevent thermal warping under heavy tow loads. And instead of a fragile belt, it runs a heavy-duty timing chain built to last the life of the engine. Instead of modern, complex systems, Toyota deliberately paired this under-stressed engine with an ancient but entirely unbreakable Aisin 5-speed torque converter automatic transmission. Bolted onto a heavy-duty, fully boxed body-on-frame truck platform with oversized suspension linkages and triple-lip oil seals, the 4Runner handles extreme physical stress, severe off-road articulation, and decades of environmental abuse without ever throwing its critical drivetrain components out of alignment. Now I want to hear from you. Do you own one of these high-mileage heroes? Or did we miss a car that you've personally driven past the 300,000-mile mark? Drop your exact mileage numbers and maintenance stories in the comments below. If you enjoyed this highly technical breakdown of automotive engineering, hit that subscribe button, smash the like sign, and we will see you in the next deep dive.